When it comes to investors, I've learned that it's way better. And honestly, they only show up at more intimate events, less people, like less than 20 people are the things. There's also interesting like investor dinners that I want to start looking into. I've looked into one before, but sadly it got canceled. So yeah, we're definitely ready to start showing up at these legitimate events now.
That's
all right.
Exciting.
Good morning, everybody. And just besides like the funding of actual money of investment, what I'd really be looking for is like customers who do you think would be interested in this. I mean, that's going to be the way into getting a lot of people for TernKey, is saying like, hey, who do you think would be customers? Like, oh, this one company would like do like they have all the customers you need. All they have to do is present it to everyone. All right, let's get Ernest taken care of.
Hey, Ernest.
Hello, everyone.
Happy New Year, Ernest.
Happy New Year.
Congrats.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hope the ball and chain is too heavy.
Thank you. So hope you everyone will be lucky this year. Long time no see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I tried to fix my Muj conflict. So I fetched update version in develop branch and merged it to my branch named reroute added. While merging, there were many conflicts, so I fixed all of them. And then I tried to push it on my remote branch, but it failed. So I created a new branch from my old branch and tried to publish branch on website repository, but the same result. Let me share my error screen.
Sure. I think I know exactly what this is, though.
One second. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me publish branch. This is new branch from my old branch. So I'm trying to publish branch for the new branch. Oh my god.
This is not an error, I guess. This is just a merge. You can add just a merge comment. Can you click on I? Just insert or something like that? Oh, no. Just on the console, like in the terminal. Just click somewhere on the terminal. No. I mean inside that black box, like somewhere on that line, like line starting with pound will be ignored, something like that. Somewhere like that, like.
Just click inside
the terminal, like where it is actually just the comments is there.
Lower. There you go.
Yeah. Click somewhere inside. I mean, just click somewhere like not there actually.
You don't need that one. Sorry. Go ahead, Sangeeth.
Yeah. So actually, just somewhere, just click on that any of the letters or something like that. Just we need to be on the terminal, so that's why.
The blue letters.
The blue letters somewhere. And then just a mouse click. Yeah, click on I right now. In the keyboard, just click I actually. Yeah. So now just use the keyboard. Use the keyboard. Don't use the mouse anymore. Okay. Just come to the last line. So you can navigate through the up and down arrows. Just click on the down arrows. Okay. So at the end of the line, just type something. Or you can come, or you can just click a enter. Yeah. Just type something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So click escape now. Right now. I mean, in the keyboard, click escape. So now what you need to do is that you need to type the full colon. There is something called as a full colon symbol is there.
So shift colon.
Yeah. Full colon WQ. So that's the thing that you need if you want to push this thing. No, just type like in the keyboard. Just could you? I'm not sure about where exactly that full colon thing is.
Well, you should put shift and then under the P, there's the colon and the
Yeah.
semicolon. So
Yeah.
just push shift and then that button. There you go.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now WQ. Okay. Press enter.
Already up to date. Oh, you're getting the pre-push hook. You have to resolve the conflicts from
Yeah.
the develop branch. Do you have conflicts?
No conflicts.
Okay, then it's probably the build. So try to run
npm build.
npm
run
build.
build.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you have those. You're lucky that you have only 3 errors.
Yeah, and it's pretty easy. It's just undefined and
Yeah.
variables.
Okay, I see. So I needed to teach some error. Okay, let me try. Let me stop sharing my screen.
Okay, sure. This is just simple, like it is not defined errors. You can just resolve it in a sec.
Thank you for your support, Sangeeth.
Sure.
Okay, great. Okay, and thank you, Ernest. Thanks, Sangeeth. Sangeeth, you want to start with your update for the day?
Yeah, I resolved most of the errors yesterday, so I'll create a PR for that today. And I'm waiting for Adrian to assign me new task.
Great. Okay. Well, I mean, shouldn't the next task be for Sangeeth to make sure that he removed all of the functions from TernKey, Adrian, for his specific integrations?
Yeah.
Okay. And who was, I believe it was Maksym and Adrian. I believe you two were on a call, right? And you guys were talking about, you were looking at code from Sangeeth and Jomar and some other, maybe JP, and you were saying, they should be reusing this kind of function or something. You remember that from yesterday?
Yeah.
Could you guys elaborate on that, or so that
Well,
you guys know?
the code in question was a conflict. So on Jomar's pull request that we were trying to resolve, and I think correct me if I'm wrong, Maksym, but didn't we talk and I told you that they're using your code, so the promises is there, but they're not. What's that?
Yeah, that's correct. We need to make sure that we are declaring variables and using correct types, especially in the services, because I don't know why.
Can we show this? Can we like bring this up, Maksym? Could you show what example you're talking about? Like share your screen.
Yeah, one sec.
Okay. So what's your update for us in the meantime, JP?
Hello. I started working on delete route for the two-factor authentication, and I want to confirm if the delete route is what I did is I deleted the two-factor authentication on the TernKey website. Is that correct? We didn't we're not gonna use the 2FA on the TernKey. Can you please verify?
For now, yes, we're not. Manon is not going to. We won't do 2FA. Or wait, no, we're doing 2FA. We're not doing the free trial. We're holding off on for now.
Mm.
So what's your question? When are we?
Yeah, what I was trying to do is what I did do is I removed the 2FA on the turnkey setting, the enable and disable, and I will also clean up the other file.
Um. Okay. Yeah, I guess. I mean, the 2FA still happens inside of Turnkey, but I'm pretty sure that the function you use is the same one that we use for the website. It's just the UI looks different.
Mhm.
Oh, we'll have to ask Manon about that. But let's make sure that on. I don't see any done comments on Figma.
Yeah, I did not make a push right now. I just want to verify if I'm doing the right thing.
Okay, and Jomar, I know you're working on these too. I don't see any done comments by you either. What's your update for us?
My update is actually just checked my PRs and I saw that they were already merged. So I started to recheck my PRs on, and I think I'll work on it today since some of the I have pushed some of the rerouting or conversion of those messages to TernKey instead of website. So I'll double check on that. And for today, I started working on it, and I have encountered a bug actually, and communicated with Maksym already.
Yep. So could I show my example?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I tried to find the exact commit where it happened, but don't really remember. So I will just show the current version. Okay. Here we have such a thing, especially in the services. It happened in the billing services, and the code was on the develop branch, and it caused some errors during building. So the main thing is using such things like unknown or any instead of predefined type and as well as and promises as well. So the first issue is this, and the second one is undeclared variables. So always be careful with imports and with defining your code, because on this branch it's already fixed.
Thanks, Maksym.
Also, the one more thing is before declaring your own budget, you could check how does it work on the other functions it purports to follow the style and maybe other rules. Because, for example, I saw people just use Axios directly on the page instead of declaring function in the services and then reusing it there. Also, there's such a useful thing as logger. It really helps to track the function flow and to debug it during testing. So something like this. Yeah,
Great. Any questions on that? Anything else? Anything else you want to point out, Maksym?
No. That's it. That's okay. Thanks.
Okay, wonderful.
I already pushed my updated code. Please use the 147.
Okay, great. Let's double check that.
Okay, please check. Let me know if there are any problems with that.
Will do.
Will do. Thank you, Ernest.
You're welcome. Sorry, but this critical issue.
We forgive you.
It's my fault. Don't worry.
Yeah, it is.
Hopefully, we can get you back soon.
Yeah, of course. I will get back soon. Because I'm pretty busy with another project. So I will back soon. after complete my current project.
Cool.
Lovely. All right, Ernest. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll let you know if we need any more assistance on that last pull request. Thank you.
Sure.
All right, and that's about well, Maksym, what's your update for us? What are you well, I know you got all the pull requests done yesterday, but what are you working on today?
So continue working firstly on fixing stuff with UI, some responsiveness, and waiting for minor changes for billing pages.
Okay, so you'll be integrating that.
The last part, yes.
Okay, understood. Sounds good. And that's it for Scrum today. The only other thing I would say are, can we clean up, or Adrian, whatever branches can be cleaned up in the repositories, would you mind cleaning those up? I went through and deleted some of mine. I'm not sure what other ones should be deleted.
Yeah.
Right now.
I'll check on it.
Thank you. And I know there's a good amount of patches by me and patches by Kerman, but I don't know which ones are done and which ones can be deleted.
If those are 2 weeks old, I can delete those, right?
Yeah, I'd say so. I asked Kerman to clean up his own, but
Yeah.
for me, I don't think mine. I think mine are good to go. And Chris also said he's not going to make the meeting today, but he said, I made some progress. However, I noticed an error with the API and the database while I was debugging that I'll try to connect with Manon and Adrian about later today. And he'll be at Scrum tomorrow morning. So we can just go over it tomorrow morning with Chris.
Okay.
All right, that's Scrum, everybody. Thank you. We'll get to it now.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.